Is this recipe guaranteed to give you superhuman strength? Hey Popeye. Spinach? No spinach? You don't care for anything.
Leo cooks things, I cook things.
Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to... Today I'm going to show you guys how to make spinach rice. You spinach rice round, baby, rice round. That kind of works. Let's get spinaching. Spinaching? I've developed a spinach. Ew. First up, the summer months were not kind. Ah, it's cold. Bowl. First, you're gonna want to cook yourself some rice. Rice to meet you. Rice. Cook up half a cup of rice, and that's what this is. I'm gonna use 1 onion here. Why are you removing my skin? Yeah. Don't worry, I'm not crying because of the onion. I'm crying because I'm depressed. Woohoo! Hide your emotions by cutting onions. Woo! Diced. Throw your onions into the rice. Why are my eyes burning?
Parsley.
What a weirdo! Get rid of the stems. Welcome to the parsley. Maybe like half a cup of chopped parsley. Removing the stems is boring. You want to give me a hand? Just remove the stems, please. Hey. Thanks, buddy. You're a good assistant. Did you clean your paws before doing that? Amateur hour. Roughly chop that parsley. Into the rice bowl you go. Whoop. I hope you had the time of your life. Time is on our side. Boop, beep, bop, bop. Spinach. It's like a spinach sandcastle. I'm gonna give a rough chop to the spinach. Did you hear about the spinach that joined a top secret organization that monitors all of alien life on Earth? His name was Wilt Smith. Boop, 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 boop. If you could take a look right here, please. There we go. Now that we've forgotten about that joke, spinach goes in. Yeah. Leo, calm down. Calm down. Put on those hand condoms. All of it needs to come together really nicely. This is my mom's recipe. She used to make it all the time, even though I didn't like spinach when I was a kid. But mother didn't care. Eat your spinach rice, she would say. We know what happens to the children that don't eat their spinach. They go to the basement, and we know what's in the basement.
Don't we, child?
But then I started liking it when I was older. It's super good. Get yourself some muscular cheese. Hi, cheese. Cheese is good. What's a classic cheese party game? Truth or dairy? What's this? I use a cup of shredded cheese here. About a teaspoon of salt maybe. A little crackled freshness. A little bit of chili powder, just because I have a little kick. And a pinch of garlic powder. Maybe 2 pinches. Topanga. Ha ha. Egg number 1. Oh. Now massage it all together. That's the one.
That's why they pay you the big bucks.
Now put it in a thing. Pretty. I'm gonna melt an entire stick of butter because butter's good. A little bit of parmegiano regiano. Oh, why can't we be friends? Oh, why can't we be friends? A little bit of panko. And I'm gonna put the butter in the panko. Gonna give it a nice mixing. Now dump your parmigiano reggiano in there. And then basically what we're gonna do is we're just gonna add all that goodness on top. Yes, that's pretty. On a scale of 1 to excitement, I am excitement.
I am the excitement.
A little pinch of oregano on top just to say hello. A little freshy peppy. Now put it into a 325-degree oven for about 30 minutes or until golden brown. Oh boy, you can hear the flavors. Listen. A little bit of chili crisp oil, add a little heat, a little fresh parsley on top. Spinach rice, complete. And now I eat you. Ooh boy. That's great. You know, super cheesy and crispy. Thank you, Mommy. That's so cheesy. I love that. Thank you for the recipe, Mother. Bye, friends. More.